Hey guys, Ed over here at FICM Repair. So, got a question from one of you guys sent privately saying, hey, I got a FICM from you, and it's been a bit now, but now I'm getting a no start, and I'm throwing a cam sensor code. And by the way, very commonly, it's either a cam sensor code or a crank sensor code or both. So 2614, 2617 codes. And like, do I change out my cam sensor? Probably not. What you probably want to do is look at my pinned video on how to diagnose a no start condition. It's the one with the SCTX4 in the background. And you can go ahead and take a look at that, and you can see with that, you can say, hey, what is going on here? What are the rest of my readings? Because what's happening almost for a fact is that your cam position sensor is like, hey, or your crank or both is saying, hey, I expected this silly truck to start by now, and it's not. There's got to be something wrong with the cam sensor. And maybe there is, but maybe there's not. So what you do is you take care of everything else first. You take a look at your IPR duty cycle. You take a look at your ICP voltage. You take a look at your FICM main power. Ideally, you would take a look at fuel pressure even, and look to see if there's some other reason, some other issue that's causing you to have the problem that you're having. If all that comes back good, and you're like, man, I see no problems here, then go ahead, climb underneath the truck and check out the wiring for the cam and the crank position sensor. Verify the wiring is good. That's a relatively common issue. We sell a tremendous number of pigtails. Or just go ahead and spend a couple of nickels on the new sensor, because it's not stupid. Just make sure that when it's a sensor, you want motor craft. We refuse to even offer an aftermarket alternative, because the reliability is not there. All right. So thanks for the question. Keep those questions coming into us, guys. This is how we can help each other. Okay. So FICMRepair.com, it's your source for all these parts. Anything you need, we got you. And we haven't been on price in 15 years. So whatever you need. Okay. We're all in this together. Appreciate you guys. Take care. See ya. Bye-bye.